Hey, yeah, you. You've been following me for quite some time now, right? And you're interested in learning how to make money online, but maybe you're just a little confused. Maybe you haven't started because you don't know where to start. Maybe you have started, but you just can't put all the puzzle pieces together. I want to let you know I'm here to help you. If you join my community, which is in my Stan Store, there's a link. If you join my community, I am going to go inside of my community. I'm going to have a Zoom every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern. And I'm going to break down everything step by step. So I don't care if you're new and you haven't started, or maybe you've been at this for some time and you're just really struggling because you just don't understand. And maybe you've purchased a course from someone that completely ghosted you. I want to let you know you can be successful. It is also a job. You do have to show up. You do have to be consistent, and you do have to show your face here on video. I am looking to help people inside of my community, and it's free. Every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern time, I am going to do a Zoom, and I'm basically going to do a Q&A. I'm going to answer all your questions. I'm going to help you get through the roadblock, because making money here online has been a life-changing experience for me. And when I started, I didn't have anyone like me to break down step by step. I didn't have anybody that I could reach out to, ask questions, or have support. So I want to pay it forward, and I want to be there to help you. And I want to show you that it is possible. Anybody can do this. I'm an ordinary person just like you, but I decided that I no longer want to be stuck where I am. I no longer want to continue to go to my 9 to 5 for the next 20 years. I no longer want to live paycheck to paycheck. I no longer want to have to say, hey, I can't do dinner, or I can't go on vacation because I don't have the extra money. This has literally been life-changing for me, and it can be life-changing for you. But if you're stuck, or you don't know where to start, or you're just not sure how it all goes together, I want to help you along that path. And it's been amazing, and I want your journey to be amazing. So join my group. Come over, join my Zooms Sunday night at 8 p.m. and let's get you situated so you understand everything, so you can also have success online. Save this video so you can come back to it, and don't forget to join my community.